Chandrababu Naidu, speaking exclusively to Times Now, has demanded a thorough CBI probe into the OMC scam and demands that action should be taken against all leaders and officials involved.
Joining me now is the TDP President N. Chandrababu Naidu, who has been raising questions about the irregularities in the Obalapuru Mining Company. Now the arrest of Janardhan Reddy, the former BJP minister, has come as a shot in the arm for both the TDP as well as the opposition in the state. Sir, do you think there has been a delay in the CBI taking action against the Reddy brothers?
Now, for the last 6 years, we are fighting on illegal mining. We have published one book also, Illegal Mining, Threat to Democracy, and also have distributed to everybody in the country. And at the same time, in Assembly and Parliament, outside Parliament, we have agitated. We have conducted so many dharnas, and also how to control, we fought with the government. Unfortunately, the then Chief Minister Y.S. Rajashekhar Reddy supported these Gali brothers in Andhra Pradesh. He has given out of the way Obalapuru Mining, and at the same time in Karnataka, BJP supported him. Both BJP and Congress supported at national level. He had a very good shield. Ultimately, he has looted total mining in the country.
Sir, there have been questions that have been raised with regard to the nexus between Jagan Mohan Reddy as well as the Reddy brothers. In fact, you just told me about how YSR had actually given some leases earlier as well. Now there are a lot of reports about the Red Gold company giving money to. They have a partnership with OMC. At the same time, the money is there is a quid pro quo between these companies, and there are investments as well as in Jagati Publications as well as companies owned by Jagan Mohan Reddy. This is an issue that you've been talking about. What is your response to that?
No, from the beginning, we have established all these things. RR Global and Red Gold. These are all the companies. Binami companies of Rajashekhar Reddy and Jagan Mohan Reddy now. And at the same time, they had an agreement with RR Global. That means total cost of the mining plus 10% profit. They have to give 50% of the mine to RR Global. That is the agreement they had. And at the same time, they have routed some money through Red Gold. This is another Binami. This is headed by Sajjala Divakar Reddy, brother of Sajjal Ramakrishna Reddy, who is MD of Sakshi Paper now. Through that route, nearly around 80 crores, 79 crores or 80 crores has come money also. This is what we have established from the beginning. So there is a clear nexus between Jagan Mohan Reddy and also Gali brothers.
Do you think the CBI is trying to get to Jagan through Gali brothers?
No, there are so many evidences. This is one. Even Sakshi, Jagati Publications, even Sakshi Paper, Bharati Cements, even Sandur, FERA violations, so many things, not only even money laundering, so many evidences are there. It is not the first time. During Rajashekhar Reddy's time, I moved out of no confidence motion in the Assembly. And at that time, I have publicized, I have given all the details with clear-cut evidences. After that, I have publicized one book. Telugu Desam Party has publicized one book, Raja of Corruption, Mr. Rajashekhar Reddy. That book is widely circulated in Delhi also. The then present finance minister, even MPs, everybody has circulated. This is not a secret. So there are evidences. Only Government of India and also Government of Andhra Pradesh, they didn't act properly. Ultimately, court intervened. High Court ordered for CBI. Because of High Court, now inquiry is going on. That is what has happened.